بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Beginning by the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and kind. This is a smart tool from British Institute. This channel is based on knowledge. You are kindly requested to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.
Cheat. Word forms, plural, third person singular present tense cheat, present participle cheating, past tense, past participle cheated.
To act in a dishonest way in order to win or to get an advantage, particularly in a competition, game, or examination.
She had cheated in a test by using a calculator. 2. If somebody cheats you out of something, they get it from you by behaving dishonestly.
I'm afraid she'll cheat me after I hand over the money.
He cheated her aged sister out of her fortune.
To get away or keep away from something horrendous, by luck or cunning.
The American ace cheated death in a spectacular 110 miles per hour crash.
In an election in 2018, he was accused of cheating by his opponent.
Cheats will be disqualified.
To feel that you have been dealt with wrongly or unreasonably and have not got what you deserve. He felt cheated and used.
Cheat on somebody, phrasal verb. To be unfaithful to your husband, wife, or sexual partner by secretly having intercourse with another person. The magazine claims that practically 50% of Americans' women cheat on their partners.
Cheat meal. A meal which temporarily breaks the rules of a diet.
Cheat sheet. A cheat sheet is a short list of information that you can use to help you do or remember something.
Cheatery. The act of cheating or deceiving.
Cheater. A cheater is someone who cheats.
Defraud. To cheat out of money, property, or a right to do something. She pleaded guilty to conspiracy to defraud the organization.
Con. Informal, to get money from someone by telling them lies. My friend conned me into spending thousands of rupees on useless equipment.
Swindle. To get money from a person or organization by deceiving them in a clever way. He swindled investors out of millions of dollars.
Do somebody out of something. To dishonestly prevent someone from getting or keeping something, particularly something they have a right to have. He's done me out of 2 weeks' wages.
Trick. To defraud, deceive, or cheat someone. A small be upset when she finds out how you tricked her.
Fleece. To defraud or overcharge. He claims she fleeced him out of thousands of rupees.
Sting. To cheat somebody by overcharging, informal.
Hoax. To deceive or play a joke on someone. She recently hoaxed a number of celebrities.
Dupe. To deceive or cheat Some of the offenders duped the psychologists.
Beguile. To charm somebody into accomplishing something the person would not typically do. She used her newspapers to beguile her readers.
Gull. To trick or cheat someone. The shopkeeper gulled him into buying something he didn't want or need.
Hoodwink. To trick someone in a clever way so that you can get an advantage for yourself. He hoodwinked us into agreeing.
Bamboozle. To trick or deceive someone, often by confusing them. I was bamboozled into telling him my credit card number.
Kid. To tease or deceive someone for fun. You won first prize? You're kidding.
Stitch up. British English informal to deceive someone, especially in order to gain money from them. She claimed that a police officer had threatened to stitch her up.
Stab in the back. To plan something harmful for somebody who trusted you. I have been stabbed in the back by my supposed friends.
Delude. To make somebody believe something that is not true. He's deluding himself if he thinks he's going to be promoted next year.
Pull the wool over someone's eyes. To deceive someone. She's not stupid. You can't pull the wool over her eyes like that.
Rip off. To deceive or cheat somebody. They have ripped off dozens of unwitting victims.
Take in phrasal verb. To be totally misdirected by somebody who deceives you. Don't be taken in by products claiming to help you lose weight in a week.
Cousin. To delude, cheat, or idiot somebody through lies. He cousined the money out of the father.
Stiff. To neglect to give somebody the time guaranteed or the cash to which they are entitled. My friend got stiffed by the boss.
Double cross. To swindle somebody, particularly after you have consented to accomplish something deceptive with them. He was living in dread of medication dealers he double-crossed.
Sell someone down the river. To surrender or uncover one's country, companion, and so on, deceptively to an enemy. He has been sold down the river by his friends.
Due time. To have a secret relationship with somebody who is not your regular partner. She doesn't know Tom's been two-timing her.
Doom. To cheat or rob. I'll tell you how they did her.
We hope that you have learned a lot from this video. If yes, kindly like, share, and subscribe with comment. Do not forget pressing the bell icon so that you get notification of coming videos. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.